Great quality, made of sturdy aluminum alloy and precise CNC process anodized aluminum materials, solid and versatile. Accompany with you in cycling/motorbike riding, it will tightly stay at the position you fixed. And best loads is 3.3 lb, 1.5 kg. Super clamp. The open width of the super clamp ranges from 0.59 in, 15 mm, to 2.3 inch, 60 mm, which can help you fix the accessories on 2.3 inch, 60 mm, rods/desktop. The super clamp enable you to add one more mounting position on desk/pole/tripod leg/camera cage/DJI Pole. 360 degrees rotation ball head. The camera mount has vertical 360 degrees rotation and 360 degrees horizontal turning, support portrait and landscape mode, quickly lock by the knob. Rubber textured not only protect your devices, but also helps hold them in position much better. Widely compatible, attached with universal 1/4 screw, suit for camera, monitor, video light, camera, microphone, etc. And it comes with the Action Cam tripod adapter and a phone holder, also compatible with Gopro Hero 10-98765 Black/Gopro Max/Insta 361/DJI/Osmo Action/Acaso. Mini lightweight. The clamp mount is super compact design, length 11 cm per 0.43 inches, and weighs only 190 g. Easily hold in one hand, extremely convenient for taking outside filming. Package, Super Clamp *1, GoPro Adapter *1, Phone Holder *1. Top reviews from the United States. The best GoPro quick release mount in the market. I was stuck between snap mounts and this product. Snap mount is easier to attach and remove, but I imagine through time the magnets will weaken. This product is a much cleaner look on the rig and in my opinion more sturdy. A lot cheaper compared to snap mounts too.